Hi everybody, this is Praveen Khanna and I welcome you in another cue card video. And today's video which I am going to speak on will be about a cue card, an area of science that interests you. Okay, so as always students, in this cue card I am going to give you first of all the short notes from which I will be elaborating my topic further, and I am going to talk about hybrid cars. Cars are among my favorite topics, and means I read this article from the internet, gathered the information from YouTube, and then I also came to know about problems, that it can be solution to so many problems like transportation, etc, etc. And then the problem with this is that the cost of vehicle is too much, right? So, and one more thing, I have also highlighted these points here which I will be using here, and then further you can see I will how convert these points into sentences of my own. So those students who are weak at making sentences, so you guys can follow these things, right? And before starting my topic students, I on daily basis have queries of students that they want to put vocabulary in their writings or in their speakings. I would say one thing very clearly students, if you are having good ideas and you are having good examples, automatically you will be having so many new words into your language, and that would enhance the overall flavor of your language. And that's why I would say keep awareing yourself, go through newspapers, read magazines as much as possible. Even I would say your reading passages are so informational, like you can get so many new words, ideas, and else there are so many YouTube channels which are giving so much information on the topic. Okay, so means what I'm doing is I'm going to pour that information which I have gained from so many topics into this particular cue card. So without wasting time, let us start. Since the dawn of human civilization, mankind has been putting steps forward to advance, making life more comfortable and unraveling mysteries of nature. Here, one step can be development of hybrid cars. Though many advanced nations have these and are constantly upgrading these, still lot of work is yet to be done. I came to know about these through an article on internet. While using phone, once there was a sudden pop-up on my phone about cars of future. It fascinated me and I read it. For the first time I came to know that future automobiles will be hybrid version, means these will be conventional fuel plus electricity powered vehicles. My curiosity on the topic further forced me to explore the matter, and through YouTube I learned that already many advanced countries have started using these, and these can be remedy to many present problems, like these are eco-friendly for majority of time. This vehicle is powered by a rechargeable battery, means no carbon emission and global warming. Further, if electricity generation is cheaply done, then transportation done through it would be almost free. What is more, usage of advanced technology can make it really safe, leading to zero road accidents. But before making these really accessible to wider public, still too much work is yet to be done. The cost of vehicle is really stumbling block, and being too costly, people feel better buying traditional fuel powered automobile for them. In addition to this, there is also proposal of battery powered cars too. However, due to maintenance cost, low speed and expensive electricity supply, masses avoid them too. Above all, I strongly feel that if anyhow solar electricity plants are made cheap and some research into batteries is done to make these long lasting and delivering high performers, then these can be real breakthrough. Okay, now here are follow-ups. My first question is, what's the best invention of past 100 years? You students can of course see this particular question in many of your cue cards. So my answer, I would say the best of all discoveries is internet. because through this real connectivity between different countries, organizations has become possible, and devices like mobile phone, computers, servers are intellect, and revolution of information technology became real. I think never before mankind would have experienced this accessibility where access to every fact is easy and is on everybody's fingertips. We are really lucky that we are present in this age, and due to coronavirus pandemic, we can add here, due to coronavirus pandemic, if we cannot commute, we can telecommute. Students through Zoom classes are linked with schools. Bollywoods and Hollywood are managing to launch movies on OTG platforms, and many people have learned method to earn online, and the women are daily trying new dishes and are putting videos online, becoming celebrity. Means life has completely changed. Next question. So what's the influence of science on human life? So as explained earlier, science has made life wonderful as it was never before. Though there is too much to say, but I would tell that today an illiterate knows how to operate an Android phone, withdraw cash from ATM, children have their own YouTube channel. Consequently, we are doing bank transactions online, paying electricity bills, ordering food. Daily there is launch of new applications or websites to deliver daily need item home, and I think soon unimaginable things like unmanned vehicles, robotic body parts, exploration of terrestrial life, etc. would become reality. Next question. What can individually do for science research? Well, uncommon man would make an excuse by saying that science is domain of scientist and he does not have much time to devote. But I think always common man would make big contributions to science, because many discoveries are done accidentally by them but are invented by scientists. Here many examples can be quoted, like people who are unsung heroes in the field of astrology, ornithology, entomology, and above all Veds, which have been silently doing their work for mankind since ages, curing so many incurable ailments. They already know a lot which qualified researchers either do not authenticate or copy to claim patent, and present these as their own endeavor to earn fame. So here I think only duty of common man left is to contribute financially, and government also have to do their part by utilizing that money wisely by funding scientists with good track record and intention. Okay, so next topic. What influence can international cooperation in science bring about? So cooperation at worldwide level can bring equality among nations. Here, one nation can develop one technology and can sell that to others or commercialize it so that all nations can put best step forward and progress together. Here, superpowers like USA, Russia are leaders in field of defense medicine. Furthermore, my motherland India has earned big name in space research. We are doing satellite launches at cheap rates. That's why they have written. That's why many European and Asian nations have got their satellites launched. From us. What is more, many EU nations like France, Germany are best car makers. They hold the credit to globalize safe and eco-friendly cars. Similarly, Japan is numero uno in high-speed trains, as is putting such project in India. Hence, this way, discovery to vaccine against coronavirus can be big example. Okay, students, again, before ending, I can say the ideas which I have given are really helpful, and that is the end of this video. Jai Hind, everybody, and we will meet in next video. This is Praveen Khanna signing off. Bye-bye.